Hello everyone. Welcome to Atman Journey. I'm Hema. I read tarot intuitively. And today I'm going to do a reading for you. This is for singles. This is a love reading for singles to see what August 2020 has in store for you. Okay, so let's see what August 2020 is going to bring for the singles. Okay, if you're looking for love, or if you're already in a relationship but you're not happy, you're in separation, I'll do another reading for the people in separation, but this reading is exclusively for people who are single and who are looking for love. Okay, I've already meditated on the cards, and let's start to see what best messages can come for you. What does August hold in store for you? What do the spirits want you to know? Is it positive? Is it challenging? If there is any challenges that you need to work on, let's look at what is coming through. Okay, as I said, I've already meditated on the cards. Okay, we have wonderful news. 10 of Pentacles. Okay, the 4 of Swords, the 7 of Pentacles, and you have the 5 of Wands. That's your overall energy. Okay, let's try and see what is coming for you. So your love reading for singles, August 2020. The way the energy that I'm getting from your spread is that you're right now very focused on not so much about love, wanting a love coming in your life, but I can see most of you are wanting a steady job or a pay rise or a business, wanting to start a business, because there is a feeling of not being very, very happy in the position that you are in. Okay, and that may be affecting your love life also. Okay, let's start with your 7 of Pentacles energy. Okay, now as you can see, 7 of Pentacles, this card, the energy it is giving me, it is saying to me is that you have worked very hard. Okay, this may be in a relationship also. You put in a lot of hard work, and it may be the relationship that you were in, or generally it could be family relationships. Okay, and even your job, you put in a lot of hard work and determination, and you've kept on going without, sometimes you may have not had things returned to you at the same amount of what you have put in. You have not been valued. Maybe you are not really seeing the results in some relationships, or in even familial relationships, or even in your job. So you are at a place where you had planted the seeds and you worked hard. Now your harvest is ready. Okay, now is the time where you will start seeing the results. So it is a little far away, it's not yet there. So that is the reason you are in this energy. You can see there is so much of wealth that he has accumulated. Now this could be in the form of all the efforts that you have put in. Okay, this is all the efforts that you have put in, but yet if you look at him, he looks a little as if not very happy with it, and not as if feeling is it really going to give me a good harvest. So there's a lot of confusion, illusion, there's a questioning, there's a feeling of being stuck. Okay, so that is the energy that you are getting into, that you are right now. Okay, that is what you're feeling, and that is when you start. There comes a time, see, for all of us, when we are only wondering, and then what we need to do is take a step back. Take a step back mentally with whatever is happening. That is when we can see things much more clearer. Okay, when you are in a feeling stage, you don't really see everything. Okay, but when you get into a knowing and understanding phase, that is when certain things start becoming clear to you. Okay, maybe the efforts that you put in were not in the right relationship. Okay, there are some lessons learned there, and maybe you're looking forward to saying again, is it going to be the same kind of a harvest that I've already had, maybe you had a bad relationship earlier. So you may be thinking about, will I be, is that the same thing coming into my life? That is when you need to take a step back. Now this Four of Swords energy is the same energy. This is an energy of putting down your swords. This is not the time. You need to put down your swords. You're not fighting anymore. Okay. So now is the contemplation time, the reflection time, the going within time. Okay. Just like a hermit card is the energy. So you have to now take a step back from the situation that is, and not go thinking negative. No, I've always had these bad relationships. Now this also, I don't know what to expect. Maybe the same thing will come into your life. No, you need to take a step back and you need to calm your mind down, and you need to be positive, and you need to look at what are the mistakes that I have done. What is it that is there a pattern that I'm all the time doing in any relationships? Do I need to change it? Do I need to change my belief system? Do I need to change my expectations? That is the working. You can see he's resting. He's put his swords down and he's resting. So he's taken a break from the battle, and you need to take a break in the month of August, and you will come into this in the middle of August. Okay, so you'll towards the middle of the August, you'll come into this energy where you'll just take a step back and start re-evaluating where you are. Because once you start re-evaluating, contemplating, reflecting, you'll come into the 10 of Pentacles energy. This is complete stability and security card. Okay, this talks about absolute foundation that you have laid, unshakable foundation. Okay, because once you understand what was working for you and what was not working for you, what are the mistakes you did, what are the mistakes you allowed people to do with you, okay, as far as relationships are concerned, that is when you will get into the energy of understanding yourself, your reactions, what sometimes we allow nonsense to happen. That clarity, once you get that clarity from taking a step back and reflecting, you will be in a better position now, more stable. Your emotions are more stable, and you'll come out of this energy of, oh God, it's never going to happen, and even if it happens, it's going to be bad. No, you'll come out of that energy. And again, like all tarot card readings, these are timeless. Okay, so it is not like in August all the questions are going to be answered and you are going to get into this energy. But no, it means you have completed. It's a card of 10, okay, which is a completion of a cycle. It is a completion of cycle because you have acknowledged where you went wrong. Okay, and what was it that you were, sometimes people abuse us, and because we have allowed them to abuse us. Okay, and the relationship may have not been a proper equal relationship, a proper give and take relationship. Maybe you gave more, as you can see here, you have given more in every relationship that you have been in, and you have not received it in. So the moment you come into this reflection will give you the power to understand what is it that you need to work on, what is it that will give you the emotional stability and security, and that knowledge is going to empower you. Okay, and in August I can see the energy that you're moving into this. Okay, now the overall energy is quite interesting. It's a card which the energy of this card is about competition. And the way I understand from your reading is that the competition is with you. Okay, the competition is between you and you only. So all the things that have happened to you in your life, this may resonate. Some people may resonate with this, some may not. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Don't make yourself fit into it. Okay, but the way I understand is, a lot of you for this reading who are here at this reading, you need to hear this, that you have been quite responsible if things went wrong in a relationship. I'm not saying that somebody didn't do you any wrong, but you allowed them to do it. Okay, you allowed them to have the power, and once you come into understanding your power and claiming that power, you will, your competition is with you. So your battle is with you. Once you understand, then the work starts, that you start working on yourself. Okay, because the moment you win your battle with yourself, there is nothing to stop you. Okay, so for the singles, in one word I will say there is a lot of work that you need to do with yourself, and be very, very naked and honest with what you have gone through. Take a step back, understand all that, and be very honest and face your demons about what did you allow people to do to you, and make a vow not to repeat it, because the competition is within you. The moment you come into power, there is no competition for you. Okay, so I wish you all the best, and I hope this reading brings some positivity, and it shows you, gives you some guidance and insight about how you can make things work for you. If it has resonated, please like, share and subscribe, and do comment, because I love hearing from you. And if it happens with you, I would love to hear from you even at a later time. Okay, so I wish you all the best. Take care of yourself, be safe, be positive. Namaste.